how to turn on or turn off mouse keys for Assistive Touch on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, we want to tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on Touch. Then tap on Assistive Touch at the top. Now scroll down and tap on Mouse Keys. At the top here, tap on the Mouse Keys toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And here's a Mouse Keys allows AssistiveTouch to control the pointer using keyboard keys or numeric keypad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.